Welcome to CORA X Lite. Installing CORA X Lite from a Microsoft Store is very easy. Start by opening the Microsoft Store from your Start menu in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Next, type in CORA-X into the search bar and press the Enter key.
You should see CORA X with this beautiful icon. Click on this CORA X icon. This will bring you to the CORA X Lite section of the Microsoft Store. Click on the Install button. That's all there is to it. Go ahead and open CORA X Lite. Finally, pin CORA X Lite to your Start menu as shown here.
We hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day.